If you want to link your Realme GT 7T to Windows, all you have to do is first of all open Settings. Now in the settings we're gonna go to Connection and Sharing, and then here you should be able to find the link to Windows. Now once we open this app, after a short while we should be able to choose how we want to sign in, so we can either just press sign in or sign in using the QR code on your PC, and this is the option that I'm gonna choose. So on your PC, what you need to do is get the phone link. So once you open phone link on your PC, you should have it already installed. You can just simply search for phone link on your Windows. Then you should be able to choose what is your device. So of course, we're gonna choose Android, and you should be able to generate the QR code. So we need to scan the QR code right now. After that, on your screen, you will see this code that you need to enter on your phone. So on the phone, press continue and then enter the code that you can see on your computer. There we go, and 8. All right, let's proceed, and let's see what happens next. So in my case, I also need to send the code to Gmail in order to verify myself. We need to grant permission. There we go, or permissions actually. All right, then we need to let the app run in background. So we're gonna press allow. And over here for improvement, we can just press deny. And then press continue, and done. Alright, so we should be now signed in. On your computer, you should also see that you are all set, so we can press continue. And there we go. Over here we have our phone. We can also open the app when we sign into Windows, when we turn on our PC. In my case, I'm just gonna press get started. And as you can see, we have access to our apps over here. We can also see this prompt where we can finish setting up notifications in order to get access to other stuff here as well. So not everything is set up yet, but we can also see the battery information and so on and so forth. We can also go to photos, messages, and so on and so forth. So this is how we can pretty much access everything on our computer, everything that we have on our phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.